Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm so excited to be introducing Colourpan for 2023. This was a project created by me, and we did this last year. We started January 18th, 2022, and it was supposed to go through January 17th or January 18th, 2023, but I did my finale in December. So with that in mind, for 2023, we're going to do 11 months. So this is starting today, January 18th, 2023, and it's going through December 18th of 2023 to kind of give us a month off to kind of just rest. Rest and enjoy the holidays and not worry about what makeup has to be used up. So this is now a Fantastic Ladies collab, but you do not have to be a Fantastic Lady to join. I made it a collab in the group because several people asked for it as a Throwback 30 option, and of course it wasn't a Fantastic Ladies collab. So now it is, and that's the only reason why, really, because I wanted people to be able to do it in Throwback 30 if they wanted to. It is 3 to 6 products, rolling style, and really the only caveat is it has to be something from Colourpop. So either Colourpop, I almost said Forma, that's Morphe. Colourpop, Fourth Ray, or Soul Body. So and it starts, like I said, it starts today, January 18th. The hashtag is Colourpan. If you're on Instagram, make sure you tag me so I can come find you. If you're on YouTube, I'm going to click the hashtag and try to find you, so make sure that you use it. You can also mention me in your description box or in your title, and I can see that, I believe, in my mentions. I'm not really sure how that works. So yeah. So the whole premise of this project is that some of us, me, some of you, have a lot of Colourpop. Colourpop is easily accessible in the US. You can get it on their website or you can get it from Ulta. Aren't they going to be in Target now? Did I dream that? I don't remember. But it's easily accessible in the US. It's mostly good quality at a decent price. So I have a lot of it, and I have a lot of it. And even after this year, I will still have a lot of it. So we're going to be doing this project for a hot minute. So anywho, I'm going to share with you my products, let you know my progress. You can set your own goals. It does not have to be, you don't have to hit pan. It doesn't have to be a use-up goal. You can completely do a usage goal, 5 uses, 10 uses, 1 usage. It's completely up to you, however you want to do this. And it's 11 months, so you have plenty of time to decide and do what you want to do. So I am bringing back 1 product from last year. No, 2 products from last year, and then I'm bringing in 4 new ones. So let's talk about the 2 that are coming back. The first is this. This is the More is More blush stick. I don't know that I can make a new mark. I really stopped using this. I think more because it's like a summer spring shade. This is beautiful. It has a pink, orange, gold flip. I love this formula. I know a lot of people don't, but I love their stick formula. I'm working on a highlighter in a different project. Look at that. It's so pretty. It blends out beautifully. It's just a really pretty blush, and I love. This is going to go really well with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and probably one of the items that I have in here. So this is in To Finish, and I am finishing cream products. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I'm finishing cream and liquids and hitting pan and powders. The other one that is coming back is this one. This is the blush in Coast to Coast. Yeah, Coast to Coast. This was in their Making Mauves collection. It's a beautiful, cool tone blush, and my goal is to hit pan. I will take some pictures and insert footage, hopefully, if I can remember. I've got a little tiny baby dip going. I really want to hit pan in this before like March, because this for me is more of a cool tone, and that screams winter for me. Spring, maybe a transition shade, but as we move into summer, I'm going to want something completely different. So yeah, goal is to hit pan on that. All right, let's talk about the other 3. The first one is this. This is the Pretty Fresh concealer in Fair 20N. I was working on this in a project. What project was it? Maybe Partners in Cream? I honestly don't remember. And this is it's such an interesting color, because it doesn't look anything like it does in the does it? It doesn't look anything like it. In this, As I'm looking at it, it looks gray. But on the hand, it's definitely, I think it pulls more warm than it does neutral. But I have 2 of their concealers, and my goal is to finish both of them this year. So this is in to finish. I'll weigh this, but hopefully we'll be able to track it with lines. So that is the concealer. I'm bringing in 2 Super Shock blushes and 1 Super Shock eyeshadow. So I know technically that these can be considered a cream, but I'm considering them a powder, so my goal is to hit pan. So this is the Super Shock Chic in Birthday Suit, and you can probably see why I picked the colors I did. I feel like this will go with Coast to Coast beautifully. It's such a beautiful kind of pinky mauvey blush. It's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. And again, my goal is to hit pan. I've swatched it a couple of times. I haven't used it at all. I cannot wait to use that in a look. The other one I picked out was Brute Flute. I thought that said butt flute. It's like, what? Oh man. I believe this one has a bit of shimmer in it. It's a really pretty kind of burgundy, berry, cool tone type of shade. It's also, you can see that it's starting to come apart from the pan, which means it's probably going to dry out soon. But this is, oh, it's so pretty. I think it's actually meant to be a highlighter on darker skin, but I love to glow. I mean, look at me. I'm glowing to the gods. I love to glow, so I think this is going to be beautiful with that. And again, that goal is to hit pan. And then last but not least, I am bringing in a Super Shock. So I will be rotating through my Super Shocks, not only cheeks. I have a couple of do I have 1 or 2 bronzers? 1 bronzer is in Throwback 30. Maybe I have another one. I'm going to be rolling through my Super Shock eyeshadows. I'm going to be rolling through the cheek products. So either the highlighters, the blushes, or the bronzers. So those are going to be rotating until I have pan in all of them, because that is the main goal, 200 pans, and these are going to help me help me get there. So last but not least, I have this, I believe this was in, take that off. I just need to know what it says. I just need to know what it said. Oh, you know what? This one is in, nope, that's in a project. Duh. For my Super Shock shadow, I'm bringing in Basic Instincts. This is a coppery color. This was from that wild collection with the, it was a very neutral collection, but it was so pretty. I bought it. I was like, who am I? What am I doing? And the only reason why I'm wearing neutrals today is because I'm trying to finish that Level Up palette. I'm not doing it. So there's Basic Instinct. So as I mentioned, hit pan and anything that is powder. Finish the concealer. Hit pan in this blush, and then hopefully finish the cream blush. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. As I mentioned, yes, this isn't the Pantastic Ladies, but again, you do not have to be a Pantastic Lady to join. There is a sign-up sheet if you want to share your information so people can find you, but you can also use the hashtag Colourpan. And be sure to tag me on Instagram so I can come see you. Listen, I'm really bad. I'm really bad at Instagram. So if you show me in your story or whatever and I miss it, I apologize. But it's just not second nature. Maybe that I need to make that a habit and do a habit tracker. So I'm checking Instagram regularly. But yeah, I hope you'll join us. Again, tag me on Instagram. Let me know in the comments down below if you join. I'm going to use the hashtag to find you guys. There's a post in the Fantastic Ladies. If you're not on other socials, you can post your products, your introduction, etc. there. And I try to check on that one every other once in a while too. So I'm doing my best, I promise. Anywho, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready for my glasses so I can see something. I'm also ready to put the hair up because it's driving me crazy. Does that make me crazy?